Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel Fitness and Nutrition. So I have uploaded two videos on the nutrition part, and today third video also I'm gonna upload about the nutrition part only. And today's video will be the diet plan for weight loss for pure vegetarians. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. So I have divided this weight plan or diet plan for weight loss into three sections, which is the morning routine, evening routine, and that is the lunch option, afternoon options, and the dinner part. So let us see. So in the morning options, the first thing which I have included is banana. Now you can read it out on the page. One medium banana has about 100 calories. So if you are someone who does workout and you should work out regularly, so banana can be a very good natural pre-workout for you, as one banana gives exactly the right amount of energy that you need to start your workout. So you can have one quick banana and after 30 minutes you can start your workout as well. And banana also a very good option for your fiber, which overall also helps to increase your weight, and it's a fulfilling options too, so it also helps in the satiety issue. Okay. So after banana, let us see what we have after banana. 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 Let us see what. So second, you can have coffee, or it will be best if you can have black coffee or green tea. Black coffee is also a very is considered also a very good pre-workout. Just before 30 minutes, you can have it. And also, apart from coffee, as I told, you can as I told 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 you can have the green tea. Okay, green tea is extremely rich in the antioxidants. Antioxidants increases your metabolism, and due to increased metabolism, your carbohydrates and your fats will be used in a more efficient way by your body, and thus the stored fat will be used much faster due to increased metabolism, and eventually you will see increased weight loss than before if you use green. But yeah, green if you want considerable changes for weight loss, then you have to take green tea for quite a long time. So you won't be able to see immediately the weight loss. So these are the two three morning options: banana, green tea, coffee, and you can also have some oats or an apple. That would also be a good choice. Now talking about the lunch options. Now salads you can have it in the lunch option or at night as well, but at night salad may be high in fiber, so it may become a little problematic for you um, eating salad at night, especially at late night. So it would be best to have it in the lunch as well. So in the salads also you can add some veggies, green veggies, so that your antioxidant amounts further increase, which helps in the increase in metabolism, and it also reduces your bad cholesterol, manages sugar level, and it greatly helps build your immune system. As you all know, after the pandemic, the improvement of immune system is one area which has been talked about vastly after the pandemic. So salads, you can have a high protein salad, which will also make you fulfill for a longer period of time. At the same time, you will have your protein requirement every day. You can complete it, and also having high protein will help you, will keep your stomach full so that you won't feel hungry every time, and thus you can remain in a caloric deficit diet, and therefore moving towards the journey of weight loss. Now, after the salad, you can have some soya chunks with roti. Now, remember, guys, I have made this video especially for vegetarians. So, soya chunks are a great options of protein as well. Soya chunks is also known as the vegetarian meat due to its very high amount of protein content. About 100 grams of soya chunks contains about 52 grams of protein. Now remember, guys, having a lot of soya chunks might cause you the hormonal imbalance in your body, especially for men. Although it is not proved anywhere, but still you can have about 50 grams of soya chunks every 2 or 3 days, or every alternate days. But every alternate days you should not take, as eventually in a week it will be high amount. So it will be good if you take two 50 grams of soya chunks every 2 or 3 days. With roti, you can have 2 to 3 rotis as per your requirement. No issues with that. So it will also help fulfill your protein requirement of the day, and also since protein is highly exothermic in nature, it has high thermic value, so it requires heat from your body to get digested or to break down. So to provide the heat, the body will use its stored carbohydrates and fat. Now, if you are someone who gets hungry often, or you want to have the evening snack, so instead of going the junk which people usually prefer, or unknowingly or unwantedly they eat because of their work or their busy schedule, they eat some junk in the evening. So in the evening, you can carry some almonds, or you can have some egg whites, available almost everywhere. Fruits or even oats, you can consider. Oats is also a very good option in the morning or in the evening, anytime which you want. So these are the evening options for people who get hungry in the evening as well. And finally, we come to the dinner options. Now, dinner options, keep in mind that we have to add as much vegetables as possible. Okay, so again, just to increase the fiber content and to get all the nutritional values. Now, remember, guys, in this weight loss thing, normally what people do that they make themselves in a calorie deficit much more what than it is required. So it is good to make a calorie deficit diet for weight loss, but you should make your calorie deficit diet in a gradual way. Like for example, if you require 2000 calories, or let us say 1500 calories a day, so it will be good if you eat 1300 calories. It won't be beneficial if you directly lower your calorie intake by a huge amount. If you do this, then for a short period of time, you will see a drastic weight loss in yourself, but after a certain period of time, that weight loss will stop and your body will be in constant weight. Now, after that, your body will say to you that you have to further decrease your calorie intake. Now that at that point it will be very difficult for you to further decrease down your calorie intake, as you are already in a huge calorie deficit. You also need calories for your day-to-day life, right? So 200 calories, decrease your calorie intake by 200 after every 1 month, or let us say decrease it when you see that your weight loss is stopped. So that will be the best thing, to go in a gradual way in your weight loss journey. Don't reduce it too much at once. Okay? So you also have to take all the essential nutrients and vitamins. You have to take care of that. So dinner options, vegetables, lots of green vegetables add if possible, and you can also add paneer. Now paneer is a protein which is helpful, which is preferably should be taken at nights, because protein paneer is a kind of protein which breaks down gradually, and thus at the night when you are sleeping, your body won't be deficient of any protein, as the paneer will break slowly throughout the night and will give you protein to the body. And to digest it, body will require energy. Thus the body will use the stored fats and the carbohydrate. So paneer is very good option for protein at the night. Also at nights you can take mixed dal. Mixed dal are a very good amount of has very good amount of protein, and it also gives you a feeling of satiety. You can also have some potatoes. Potatoes, having some amount of potatoes in your weight loss journey is fine. It makes you full. Instead of having rice or too much of chapati, you can have potatoes. It has higher satiety value. Satiety value means it keeps your stomach full for a longer period of time. Thank you everyone. This was the video I wanted to make about the weight loss journey, especially for vegetarians. Now comment down the video if you want some else information about the exercises or the nutritional thing. Thank you so much, and subscribe to our channel Fitness and Nutrition for more information nutrition related video. Thank you. Have a great day.